How to Sell on Grailed tutorial for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell on Grailed. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to grailed.com. And if you haven't signed up for Grailed yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Grailed, it is a platform for personal style that allows users to buy, sell, and discover authenticated pieces from top brands in various categories such as designer, vintage, and streetwear, in which it has a global community for over 10 million style enthusiasts and offers curated collections featuring millions of menswear and womenswear pieces from over 10,000 designers. And now to sign up on Grailed, just click this button on the top right corner that says Sign Up. And you can sign up using your Facebook account, Apple ID, Google account, or even using your email address. But I'm going to choose to sign up using my Google account. So kind of click on it, and after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start selling on Grailed, just click the Sell button on the top panel. And you will be directed on this page, in which below here, it will show you some of the options on the left side panel that you could also navigate. You have here My Items, For Sale, Sold, Drafts, and also to My Profile, you will see here the feedback, the vacation mode, payments, and many more. And to proceed, kindly click this New Listing button on the top right corner. And after clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which under Add a New Listing, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including the department or category, in which you have the two choices such as menswear and womenswear. And after selecting a menswear, you could also choose the tops, bottoms, outerwear, footwear, tailoring, and even accessories. While under the subcategory, you could also choose other kind of footwear, but I'm going to choose this low top sneakers. And after that, below here, you're also required to enter the designer. So I'm just going to enter or select here the Nike designer of the low top sneakers or shoes that I'm going to add to my listing. And after that, just choose the sizes of your shoes or footwear. Then below, you're also required to enter the item name. So for instance, I'm going to use this Nike Air Force 1, in which I'm using also an Amazon as my reference in entering the listing or adding listing to Grailed. So I'm just going to paste the item name in here. So kindly copy this name and proceed to go back to this website on Grailed and paste the item name. And after entering the item name, you could also enter the sneaker model ID. But I'm just going to enter here Air Force 1. And after that, if you scroll down below here, you could also see some of the field that you also need to fill out. So under the color, I'm just going to enter here white color. But you could also enter a different kind of color if you have variations. And after that, just select the condition of your items that you're adding to your listing. And I'm choosing never worn or new. And after that below, you could also add additional description or details about the items. But on this part of field, I'm just going to enter or copy the description that can be found on Amazon. So I'm just kindly select or copy this description right here about this item, since it is also an Air Force 1 and all of these details are also inaccurate. I'm going to copy this one and paste it under the description of my listing. But you could also add additional description like how the garment fits, additional measurements, shipping policies, retail price, and even link to retail page. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply add a tag to make your listings easier for buyers to discover through search. So I'm going to enter here Nike shoes, low-cut shoes, and other tags that might help the listing to be seen by many potential buyers and to connect the right buyers. Now moving on below here is the prices. And from here, all you need to do is to enter the price. And I'm going to use this item as my reference for the price And as you can see, the price of it is $85. But for us to have a profit, we could also make a markup price. So instead of 85, I'm going to make it $150 so that we will have a $65 profit. And you could also turn on the accept offers and smart pricing, in which by turning on the smart pricing, it will automatically drop the price of your listing by 10% at the best time every week until it hits your floor price. And you can even enter the floor price in here. And as you can see, since the sold price range is $95 to $180, as it has been calculated based on what most like low-top sneakers recently sold for over the past few months, excluding the shipping fee. Now moving on, if you scroll down below here, you will see here the shipping from, and all you need to do is to enter your address, since the shipping from is to provide information to potential buyers about the location from which the item will be shipped. And this information helps buyer to understand the shipping costs and delivery times associated with the item. And aside from that, from here, you're also required to upload a photo from your computer files. But I'm going to just download this photo on Amazon, and after saving this image, I'm going to upload it on Grailed in adding a new listing. And I'm going to choose at least 2 pictures or images on this page. And after that, just simply upload or import the image in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the image that you just saved can now be found on your listing. But as you can see here, you could also upload many pictures as you want, as much as there's an available space in here. And after filling out all of the required information in selling an items on Grailed, before clicking the publish button below here or save as draft button, you could also see the guide on how you can sell on Grailed. And as you can see, there are different kind of tips on each field that you fill out, and all you need to do is to click on it in order to see how those tips can help you in selling an items on Grailed. And upon clicking on these tips or guide, you will be able to be directed on the next tab. And below here, it will show you some of the things that you need to consider starting in creating a listing, and also the photo tips to manage your listing, shipping, and many more. So basically, the purpose of it is to provide you as a seller with the necessary information and resources to successfully list and sell items on this platform. And this guide aims to help users understand the process of selling on Grailed, including creating an account, making a listing, uploading photos, setting the correct price, understanding the fees, and promoting items with tags. And now, if you're now done, kindly click the publish button below here to start selling an items on Grailed. However, before you publish this item, you're also required to verify your phone number by simply entering here your phone number and choosing your country. And after that, this item that you add to your listing can now be sold on this platform on Grailed. So that is just how you can sell on Grailed. Thank you.